We live in a time where everyone looks fine on the outside, but broken inside. People smile on screens, but cry alone in rooms. We chase likes, followers, and validation, yet feel more empty than ever. We try to control everything, our future, our relationships, our dreams, but the truth is, we control nothing. And that's where this ayah reminds us, Ufawwiḍu Amri Ilallah. I hand over my matters to Allah. Because no matter how heavy life feels, Allah knows. He sees what no one else can see. The pain you hide behind your smile, the tears you wipe before anyone notices, the du'as you whisper in sujood that no one hears, Allah hears all of them. Sometimes things don't go your way. The people you trusted walk away, the plans you made fall apart. But remember, when you hand your affairs to Allah, you never lose. He might not give you what you want immediately, but He always gives you what you need at the perfect time. So stop carrying what was never yours to carry. Stop overthinking every test. Let go and leave it to Allah. Because the one who truly says, Ufawwiḍu Amri Ilallah, finds peace even in chaos, knowing that Allah's plan is always better than their own.